Sit back, relax, and forget about everything else for a while as we bring you some truly unforgettable moments.
No!
Não, quem é de fora paga 10, pô, só arruma hora de pagar.
It was just a little prank from his friend.
You're good. You're good.
Luckily, neither of the girls was hurt after that. Does anyone else think that car looks like it's bouncing? The light fell, but luckily no one was standing nearby. Take a good look first before making your move. He gave it a swing, but the result wasn't what he expected. Thankfully, she's okay and wasn't hurt at all. He stepped into the flooded hole, but thankfully, he's fine. Easy there, girl. Be a little more careful. Be careful there, buddy, but thankfully, he's okay.
Oh my.
It's more of like, wow, man. What the f? Can you put another cup on?
Her little bounce attempt failed, and down she went. Don't worry too much. This is a controlled recreational area. Luckily, she came out of that just fine. Han took his frustration out on it, but don't worry, it was just a balloon ball. She slipped and fell, but thankfully, she's okay. Luckily, he came out of that just fine.
No!
He missed the jump and fell, but luckily, he's fine. It was just a minor bump, and thankfully, she's okay.
Where's my straw?
Those jumps are giving him some serious frog vibes. They all stayed well back to keep themselves safe. she really went all in and hugged that Christmas tree. She took a fall, but luckily, she's fine. Take it easy, girl. Thankfully, she wasn't hurt. Looks like this one is going to cost more than expected. Her flip failed, but luckily, she's okay.
I think it had to stay in there.
Try taking a basic training course first before attempting that. That tiny mouse gave her quite the scare. The wave came crashing in, but luckily, both girls are okay. That stair railing definitely saved the day for her. He came out okay, but this is definitely not something to imitate. She slipped and fell, but thankfully, she's okay.
Oh, shit! No fuck!
Thankfully, she's perfectly fine after that fall. Luckily, the hit came from just a ball. Don't worry, this is a supervised group activity.
Alright, well, I don't want to try that one anymore. I think my shoulder just disconnected from the rest of my body. I wasn't even supposed to be here today. I've hurt myself.
Thankfully, no one was standing nearby at that moment.
Con saña, como que ya te enojaste.
That workout attempt
Órale,
went wrong, but
cocazo.
luckily, he's fine.
Oye, pues.
Adiós! Chill, we'll go!
She's okay, so there's nothing to worry about. She crashed into the wall, but luckily, the helmet did its job. Wait a second, does something look wrong to you too? We hope you enjoyed every moment and had a little fun along the way. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we'll see you again very soon.